To download GarageBand on Android, start by opening the Play Store and searching for GarageBand in the search bar. However, you'll notice that the original GarageBand is not available. This is because GarageBand is primarily designed for iOS devices. Instead, there are various alternatives available, with WalkBand being a popular option that is even verified by the Google Play Store. If you're determined to use the official GarageBand, it can be easily downloaded on a Windows PC. Another potential method to access GarageBand on Android involves exiting the Play Store and searching for GarageBand Android in your browser. This will lead to various APK versions of the app. However, it is not recommended to download these APK files, as they may contain viruses, pose security threats, or even be illegal. It's best to stick with alternative apps or use GarageBand on a compatible device such as a PC.